is the oldest bar in Warsaw and probably one of the oldest one in Poland as well, existing one. The history started in 1954. So the bar was created based on the milk bar concept, which was created actually at the end of 19th century. And it was based on three basic products: eggs, flour, and milk. Those were the three basic products to create the food. But of course, on the way, a lot of changes happened. So right now we have much wider variety of the food for our clients and our guests. So they can choose much more than in, let's say, 50s. The most popular are the traditional dishes. So like klasyczny schabowy, so chopped pork, or we have kotlet mielony, we have some klopsiki, this is meatballs, and of course tomato soup and pierogi. The concept of Milk Bar is a self-service restaurant. So people has to come, has to enter, they have the menu, they are ordering the food, and then of course we give them the numbers, they can see if the dish is ready, or some of the dishes are served directly. So we are just putting directly in the same time on the plate and serving this to our clients, to our guests. And then they're choosing the table, having their dish, and after that they have to clean up. We try to keep this place with some kind of soul and some kind of character of the previous times. We have the original floor from the 50s, so we kept this, and even those panels at the walls, they're coming from 50s, so just to show people this culture, this history. And of course, whenever you're coming to Poland, you are always thinking about this communist time, communist era. If you saw those iconic movies from 70s and 80s, there were some scenes with some kind of parodies, some kind of comic scenes, which took place in such a place. And then of course you could feel those days then when you order your food and then some old lady was shouting, "Number 30, please collect your dish." Young generation is recognizing the milk bar again, and they are experiencing the milk bar again. The prices of the food in the restaurants are becoming crazy, and when you come to the milk bar for the first time, you stay in the family of milk bar, because you know that you can have a good food in a reasonable rate. I would say that Prasowy, the place where we are here right now, Milk Bar Prasowy, it has become an iconic place on the gastronomy map of Warsaw, because it is 70-year-old place. So everyone who's coming to Warsaw, they always want to see something which is, I would say, original from Poland, from old days.